Good morning students, I am Sakshi. Today I am going to explain you unit 3 again, as this is a revision video for you. So kindly hear the video very clearly and clear all your doubts. So let's begin with the video. Thank you so much. Unit 3, Roman numerals. As I have already told you about Roman numerals, again I am repeating it for you. Roman numerals are the numerals that are originated by ancient Rome. As we are using the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they are one digit numbers in our numeral system. In the same manner, Roman uses their 7 letters as numerals, like I, V, X, L, C, D and M, and these are known as Roman numerals. So let's begin with the chapter. The Romans used 7 letters as numerals, and what are they? I, V, X, L, C, D, M, where I indicates 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. Student, you must have seen in front of your classroom the board like this is there on the in front of the class. So what does the sign indicates? This is a Roman numeral. Okay, and also you must have been seen on the clock faces as well, where the numerals are written in the form of Romans. So if you don't learn about Roman numerals, then you will not be able to identify all these numerals in future. So there are some rules to write these Roman numerals, which I have already told you. Let's repeat them. To form large numbers, I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. That means you can repeat I, X, C and M only up to 3 times to form a large number. And the numbers that you are repeating will be added or will form as their sum. Okay. If you have to write 200, then you will write 2C. Next point is, a smaller numeral gets added to the greater numeral on its left. If a smaller numeral is written to the left of a greater numeral, then it has to be added. Again, in the same manner, a smaller numeral gets subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. If a smaller numeral is written on the right of the greater numeral, you have to subtract them. Next is, like, if you have to write 4. So 4 is IV, not 4 times I, because we cannot repeat this more than 3 times. Is it clear? Now there are some rules that are used in writing 1 to 20. 1 is I, 2 is double I, that means I am adding I and I here. So 1 plus 1 is our 2. 3 times I am having, that means I am adding 3 times 1, so that is 3. V, it is on the left, it is on the right. Okay, or so I am subtracting it. V may say I am subtracting, so it is 5. 5, V plus I 6, V I 7, V I यानी 3 times I, तो 5 plus 3 8. 9 से पहले I have to subtract, तो 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 10 plus 1 11, 10 plus 2 12, 10 13, 11 12 13, तो 13. अब V में से 1 subtract किया तो 4, तो 10 plus 4 is 14. 10 plus 5 15, 10 5 15 और 1 16. 10 और 5 15, 16 17. 10 5 15, 16 17 18. X से पहले I, तो that means this whole number is 9, और 10 plus 9 is 19. If I am having 2 times X, so that means it is 20. Let's come to our exercise now. Exercise 3A. Write the numbers shown by the Roman numerals. So I is our 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is our 100, D is 500 and M is 1000, which we have already discussed. Now let's come to the C part, IV. So I have to subtract I from V. So V minus 1 is 4. Again in the same manner, 10 में से 1 minus करना है, then I'll get 9. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 9, 19. 10 और 10 20, और IV 4 होता है तो 24. 10 10 20 और IX 9 29. Rest of the questions you have to do on your own. Write using Roman numerals. So 3 I's. 4, so V minus 1 4. Okay, I is 1, 2 is 2, 9 will be IX, 11 will be XI. If I have to write 14, then it will be XIV. 19 will be XIX. 17 will be what? 10 plus 7. So 10 is x and 7 will be VII. Is it clear to you? This question, write 1 to 20 using Roman numerals, that I have already discussed in the previous page. So you have to write them on your own. Okay, you can shift your video to the backwards and you can write the Roman numerals. Okay, write the time. So here the sign is at the smallest, जो छोटी सुई है that is on 2, so you have to write 2 here and it's 2. Okay, now it is 8, so 8 बज के how many minutes? 12. So 12 means it is completed, so 8 o'clock. Okay, now it's 3 और 4 के बीच में, so that means 3 must have been completed and 6 is what? As you can see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 60 or 30, yes, very good, 30. तो it is 3:30. Is it clear? Because these ये जो signs होते हैं ना, that takes the table of 5. Okay, we have to count them with the table of 5. So rest 2 clocks you have to do on your own. Okay, if you have completed all the 3 chapters, then you will have to take your own test. So do that and clear your doubts with the video. I hope you like the video. So just complete your work and be safe at your homes. Okay, thank you.